Hello, my name's Christopher, and today I'm going to show an unboxing video for the Cielo Breez Max. This makes it to where you have a unidirectional system to where it doesn't update back from the system. It sends out IR signals to your mini split or air conditioning, and this replaces the remote for that system. So your remote will be out of sync, but you'll have an app, and I'll be able to see it on the device and change it from the screen here. So, a little bit about this series. I'm going over home automation. So I'm going to go over unboxing videos, setting things up, everything like that. So if you like that, subscribe, comment, like, and support the channel. And let's get started. So this is the Cielo Breez Max. And it works with Alexa, Google, Siri, SmartThings, IFTT, and Cielo linked, and global control, weekly scheduling, geofencing, temperature and humidity sensors, usage history, energy savings. So let's get it out. So here it is. It's got your manual right here. That's nice for it to come with a manual. It works on iOS and Android. So it's got a power adapter for the wall. This is 5 volts and 1 amp. So it's got your screws for the wall. It's got your cord. It's USB and then USB-C. So, and then it's got a stand. Let's get the Cielo out real quick. It's got the stand here. Then it's got the wall mount, and then it's got the level on it. Here's the Cielo. And then the USB-C connection. And then it's got, that's the back. So now let's try to put the stand on. There we go. Get the box out of the way real quick. And there you go. It's a stand for it. You can put the power cord in there with the stand too. So let's put the stand on there. And then there you go. It's got the insert in the back to where it doesn't hurt the cord. Okay, now let's take the stand off. Take one last look at the Cielo. So that is the Cielo Breez Max. So I just done an unboxing of the Cielo Breez Max. There's different ways to say the name. Cielo, different ways. Not sure what the correct spelling is of that. saying, I mean. So if you like this video, subscribe, comment, like, and support the channel. And if you need support, or if you need, if you ask questions or anything like that, or have video suggestions, you can go down to the Big Bear community and join our Discord. So stay tuned for more.